Welcome back to the Wix Sampler Tutorial video series. If you haven't seen the channel before, go ahead and subscribe so that you can see our future videos for tools and tricks for using Wix. So today we're going to learn how to resize and move an element two different ways in Wix. The first one we're going to do is we're going to do this horizontal menu. So the first option, you just click on it and then dots will show up around the element. Now you can see that we've removed items from this menu. So now the text is too far apart. So a really easy way to resize is you just put your cursor over one of the dots and then just slide it over to the side, up, down, whatever direction you like to go. So you can see this one would go up and to the left. This one would go down and to the left. So in this instance, we just want to go towards the right. So that's a really easy way to go ahead and resize an item. That's what I use the most of the time. Another option to move it is you can just go ahead and drag it. So that gets our element into a different spot. So that's option number one. So let's go ahead and show you option number two. Let's just undo that. So we're back to the original size. So you still click on the element, but now you're going to click on tools and you're going to turn on the toolbar. So let's go ahead and click on the checkbox, turn on our toolbar and close the menu. So we have down here at the bottom, you can see we have size and pixels. W is width, H is height, and then we have position with the X is for the X axis and the Y for the Y axis. So the first thing we want to do is shrink how wide it is. 711 pixels is too big. Let's go ahead and make that 300 pixels. But you can see once it does that, it shrinks it towards the left and now it's in the wrong spot. So that's an easy fix. We can just go down here to the position to the X. And this moves it from left to right. So let's go ahead and change where that's at. Let's go ahead and put 825. And now it's moved over towards the right. So those are two easy ways to resize and move an element in Wix. Now most of the time I just use the circle and the dots and then just drag an item around. If it's going to move to somewhere off of my viewport of my screen though, then I like to use the toolbar and I can come down here and change where it's going to be. And so, especially if you're going to be going from the top clear down to the bottom of the page or the middle, it's really nice to be able to just go into the Y-axis, put a number in, kind of guess, get it close, and then it saves a lot of scrolling and dragging. So that's an easy way to move things too. And that is how you resize and move things in Wix. Again, be sure to subscribe to our channel and see you next time.